Hello again, everybody. I went ahead and this is the finished product. Well, not finished because I need to pickle it and clean it up still, but this is my custom fitting with a 5/16 inch flare that's on my hands and the 1/4 inch flare on the other side that I showed in the original video. And this little brass tab is a piece of the brass that I cut from the bottom of the door kick that I use, same stuff I use for the boiler band. So I just cut a small chunk of it, and this will be fastened to the right side of the locomotive. That's what I have in mind, in the rear obviously, and then I'll pick a spot and I can obviously cut and modify this tab as I need to in order to locate this for the injector. So that came out well. It needs to be pickled and cleaned. And the other thing I did just now, I took apart the existing, I used a little Dremel tool and I cut off the crimping, and the hose stuff came off from the original AC hose unit. So that's the center part. This is 3/8 inch diameter and about 344 thousandths long. So what I did, as I mentioned, I wanted to make a 5/16 inch copper pipe for supply for the injector, and so I took a piece of 3/8 inch brass stock, just put it in the lathe, and I drilled it out to 5/16 inch in the center, and then I cut it off at 344 thousandths, and then I cut a short piece of 5/16 inch copper tubing, which the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to silver solder this on. It could be soft soldered, I suppose, because it's just going to be cold water going through there to the injector, but since it'll be on the locomotive, I'll go ahead and use silver solder, and I'll clean out the ends of these things, and probably before I put the tubing on, I won't need a bend. I'll probably just use the straight tubing, and I can just put a little barb flare with a automotive brake flaring tool, that kind of thing. But see, this is, let's see if I can do this one-handed again, show you. This is how the original assembly sat together with that stuff over it, and this is what it'll look like basically. There we go, for my injector. So I'm pretty psyched that fits good. I think it'll look fine. It would be a nice little unit for the water supply to the injector. So happy about that, and I will keep you posted as I make further progress. Thanks for watching.